Hi Planet Bestie, welcome to my page. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of Cloth and Paper March 2024 subscription box. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay to the end. Okay, this says Intention Notebook vinyl cover, so let's open this up. Okay, here's the vegan leather dust bag, bits and bobs. This burgundy wine color reminds me of my Agner days. I think I was in middle school or high school. Probably was high school when we had the Agner shoes, the handbags, and everything. So I like the inner lining of it as well. And it feels really nice. It's great quality. So I do like the appearance of this pen right here. And it says quiet and comfortable. Well, I'm going to test it out to see how comfortable it actually is. Because sometimes you can like an appearance of a pen, but it doesn't write well. So I'm going to test it out and see how I like it. And would it be a go? Because I'm very, very picky with pens. So this ink pen does write good, it's smooth, and it's definitely comfortable. And I definitely can journal in this pen because of the comfort of it. So this is a pencil. Let's try that out. I typically do not utilize pencils, but I definitely could give it to my daughter or someone else. But let's test it out. So it just writes like a typical pencil, in my opinion. But I'm not a pencil person, so. So this is a postcard set that came in a box, and this says, "Wish you were here." So this is the Connect and Cultivate insert set along with the dashboard. This is the CP petite size. This is the photo corner sticker set. I remember seeing that on Instagram and also in the YouTube video during happy hour. And next is the intentional notebook, intention notebook. So let's use my new pen to jot down my name in this planner to personalize it. I do like this pen that came in this box. Start your month by setting positive expectations, end it with thoughtful reflection. I like that. So I really like this notebook, and I'm so glad that I got this sub box. When I saw the notebook and the dust bag on Instagram and also during happy hour, I knew that I wanted this sub box. Oh, and I do like the Nelson Mandela quote card as well. So I'm so glad I got this sub box for the month of March. So I'm so glad that this box has the vinyl cover for this notebook, because you definitely want to protect it and everything. So I'm glad that was included. I didn't know that the box had this. So I'm excited about this, and I'm going to start utilizing this ASAP. I'm not even waiting for April. I'm going to go ahead and start now on this intention notebook, because I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.